Hi everyone, and welcome to Southern Motors, Michigan's leading muscle and classic car dealer since 1978. Remember, you can always go online and check out our updated inventory at southernmotors.com. Today, guys, we're going to take a look at just a brand new 1972 Chevrolet Chevelle. This is a true U-Code super sport big block car with a build sheet. Killer car, guys. This is this car has, well, probably I think we put 7 miles on it since a complete nut and bolt frame off restoration. Unfortunately, this happens a lot, guys. Guy has actually owned this car since 1979. Completely tore the car apart. I guess it was about 8 years ago. Got into a frame-off restoration, and as a lot of people learn very quickly, it's very expensive and very time-consuming to get these cars done. So literally, the miles that we put on it are the first miles that are on the car. There's definitely going to be some shakedown on the car. We've done some shakedown on it. We fixed a couple of things that we found right away. But I'll tell you what, this is a true factory super sport SS car, factory U-Code car. The car was actually painted about 5 years ago, so you can see there is a couple little stone pecks on it. Original code 75, Cranberry red car, and pretty car, guys. New chrome, new stainless. They did a very nice job on the car. Factory, it's got the operable cowl hood with the pins. Again, this is the original color combination. Literally, they put all the chalk marks back on the car. It has all the original soft ray glass. Car only had 64,000 original miles on it. But again, it's got all the original soft ray glass. Factory black vinyl top. Again, beautiful car. You can literally put mirrors underneath this car and show it. Does drive out great. Nice and tight, shifts out good. All the suspension components are brand spanking new. But like I always try to warn people, when there's no miles on a resto, there's going to be some shakedown, guys. Like the lights weren't working. Well, come to find out, they put a brand new switch in it, and the brand new switch was just bad. So we replaced the switch. Brand new BF Goodrich Radial TAs all the way around it. It's got the 5-spoke SS wheels. Of course, these cars had that gray centered wheel, but I like it with these on it. Brand new dual exhaust with the chrome tips. They did put quarters on it, did a nice job. That's the one little scratch I seen there on the car. Nice and straight down the sides. I love the SS rallies on it. We're gonna have to open that maybe. Again, in fact, it's got the operable cowl hood, like they say. They put all the chalk marks on it. The bottom of this car is as nice as the top, and as you look, it's detailed up real nice. It's not a matching numbers car, but it is a 72 date coded 396, 402, whatever you want to call them. They're the same engine. Power steering, power front disc brakes, Muncie 4-speed manual trans. You can see they got all the correct GM hoses and clamps. Matter of fact, we actually just got the heater hoses. We got to hook those up. That's one of the things we got to do. But really neat car. Look at the suspension. And like I say, I took a couple photos of the front end of the car so you can see it. It is brand new. Brand new vinyl top. Again, this is the original glass. I think Steve said he's got to check on the park on the wipers, but they work. This is actually a factory remote mirror. You see the door handles are nice, all new door rubbers. Again, guys own this car since 1979. Look how nice the door skins are. Factory black vinyl interior, factory bench seat. You can see it's got the build sheet over there. New carpet, new sill plates. Slick, slick car. Factory tack and gauges. It's got the Hurst shifter. They've redone all the seats. Dash pad's nice. You can see they redid the dash. 64,000. That's supposed to be the original miles on the car, but literally, like I say, 7 miles on the restoration. That fuel gauge is acting up. We'll check that. It did work though. The only thing in here that wasn't working was the factory AM/FM radio. Brand new dual exhaust. It's got the F41 rear suspension in it. 12 bolt factory 331. Rear gear. Really just a slick, slick car. It's all spackle coated. It's got the, of course, it's got the clear coated under stripes. And like I say, wait till you see the bottom of this car, man. It is brand new. New fuel tank. Again, all new lines. Of course, you can see the F41 rear suspension with the rear sway bar. Floors are beautiful. Again, the whole front suspension. It's got the chalk marks on the front suspension. Killer car. As I tell everybody, you know, 90% of these cars, when I get them, I can't tell you if they're a real SS. This one, I can tell you it's a real SS. You can break this down in 72 through the VIN. It's a U code in the VIN, which is a big block car. Wait a minute, I got to double check that, guys. I want to tell you that wrong. I'll look that up. I think it is, because the 00 would be the 400, which is 402 actually. Partial build sheet. It's got the you can see the numbers there to make out that it's correct build sheet. Factory Z15 SS package. I'm sorry, it's got the Muncie shifter. I think I said Hurst shifter. Gauges are nice and clean. Yeah, I'm pretty sure you is the, oh shoot. I'll get it, Nate. Well, no, you're gonna have to do it, Nathan. You open that rod. No. Go ahead, no, you gotta open it up. Open it back up. Yep, straight underneath there, just pull it out, yep. I'll have you start to put the pins in. Nice and tight. Like I said, the car drives out great. You can go and put those pins in there. Tach works. Looks like all the gauges are in here working except for that fuel gauge is acting up. Parking brake works. Doors open and close nice. It is cold out, guys. That's just a nice car, pretty car. Yes on the blower motor, no on the radio. I think you said something about the, yeah, the wipers do work. I think they're not parking, they need to park down a little more. It's got the T3 headlights in it. Okay, guys, make sure you keep track of our inventory. You can do that at southernmotors.com. Another great way to keep in touch with us is through our Instagram and our Facebook page. Definitely subscribe to our YouTube page, guys. You can do that by clicking the little button there at the bottom. That way you get a notification every time I post a new video, guys. great way to keep in touch with us. Now you can see it out in the sun. Look how pretty that car is. Yeah, that is a slick car. I like the 70 wheels on it. I like those 5-spoke wheels. Good looking car. Again, factory color combination, cranberry red over the black. Wait till you see the pictures on our website at the bottom of this car.